so your disposition is stone cold. Oh na 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 no. What'd it take to let you go? I got a war in my head. You come like a train running through it. Been keeping all my aces close, but I wanna know where you go. Think we're in retrograde, 'cause we're never on the same page. Just gonna walk away. What'd it take to get you to stay? 'Cause you got me falling again, coming in my heart is blazing. Don't tell me it's all in my head, 'cause this could be something amazing. And if we don't get it right, we'll fall back into orbit tonight. Don't tell me it's all in my head. Don't say it's all in my head. Tell me it's all in my head. Don't say it's all in my head. Tell me it's all in my head. Don't say it's all in my head. We tend to stay close to the light, but there ain't no star shining tonight. Never been good at goodbye, so I'll stay here till the sunlight. I got a war in my head. What does it mean if you're fighting from both sides? Pulling and pushing away, still betting that you're gonna stay.